Hey guys, don't really have an intro yet, but anyways, gonna post a little video about basically so my dad basically gave me a Swiss Army knife. It's an old one, it's a classic, so I just scratched up a bit, but this thing is old. It has been around. These older Kapuna veteran kind of guys, like Uncle Moses and Uncle Ike'ole. It's my dad's. He actually gave me this. Basically, I noticed it was really stiff and wasn't being used, and he has a lot of other tools that he can use instead. So basically, yeah, I asked him if I could have it, and he didn't have a problem with that. He said, yeah, you know what, that's for you then. So, I'll take out one of the blades. This should come out still. I might need my Sheffield to take it out. Nope. I can take it out with my hands. Okay. Needs a little bit of DW40, but basically, I mean, if I want a simple knife to carve a stick, or I'm making a camp and I need to carve a stick for the bed, or I just need a walking stick, or I need to cut some rope, I at least know I can use the blade part of it to cut stuff, wood and stuff. So that's the knife. It's an old classic Swiss Army knife that's been passed on from my dad. Okay. There'll be more. I'll make another video in the future once I restore this a little bit, but anyways, that's all for now. Okay.